Would we be able to estimate how long it would take Pixar Studios to storyboard a single scene from Toy Story? Not the final scene, not the animations, just a preview of it to know how it will develop. Up to 6 weeks with teams of 10 and 20 designers to get this kind of visualizations. We can do it in 20 seconds. We have developed the most powerful technology in the 3D audiovisual market to date. An artificial intelligence that is capable of converting text into video with the quality you are seeing in a matter of seconds. Users will be able to use the content not only for social networks, marketing or cinema, but also for video games, virtual reality, metaverse and any immersive options thanks to the fact that our creations are in 3D.